So welcome back to the channel. Right now I am standing in sector 65 and I am about to review one of the commercial properties in the extension area जो आपको एक बहुत ही बेटर रेंटल इनकम देती है. सो इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग आउट टू इन्वेस्ट फॉर सम रेंटल इनकम जिसमें आप एक मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहते हैं अराउंड 50-55 lakhs एंड यू वांट टू गेट द मैक्सिमम आउटपुट, this video will be beneficial to you, so keep watching. I am sharing some tips on this commercial. So this is a commercial by the name of Emerald Plaza. This is located in sector 65 and यहाँ पे आपको एक office space मिल जाता है which is approximately around 55 lakhs all inclusive. When I'm saying all inclusive, it is including the price of the space, the interiors and the stamp duty and everything, registration charges. Approximately 55 lakhs is the cost and it is giving you a rental income of 27-28,000 in hand, which is much higher than as compared to other rental incomes of these spaces in or around the surroundings. So tune in for the video and I'll be showing you some of the place. So this is a place which was established by MR in 2008 or 2009 and this was the idea was to cater the needs of approximately 1500 families living just across the township by the name of Emerald Hills. So there is 100 acres of township made by MR by the name of Emerald Floors or Emerald Hills if you know the location. So the commercial was established to cater them. So this is the main area and entry is from there and you are exiting from here. So and opposite to this there is the commercial by the name of 65th Avenue. If you are familiar with the location, you will be getting to know what location I am. So I'll be explaining you about this commercial. This is a 9-story commercial जहाँ पे आपको ground floor, first floor and second floor पे आपको retail shops मिलती हैं and third floor onwards से 9th तक आपको office spaces मिलते हैं and you can see how well maintained the commercial is. Maintenance is 10 rupees per square feet and this is the concept. I'll be showing you the inner spaces and the office spaces in a while, so tune in for that. So right now I am located at the first floor of this commercial and you can see some retail shops behind me and all close. This is the first floor in the middle section. That's the second floor over there. वहाँ पे आपको अभी कोई शॉप ओपन नहीं मिलेगी. There are only 1 or 2 shops working. And यहाँ पे आपको ground floor पे this is the atrium and this is how it is looking. It is a very well maintained property and people are into their own business and the maintenance and the whole maintenance team takes very well good care of the property. Second, I'll say if you have a little bit higher budget and you are thinking of going in the retail shops, I'll say only go with the front facing shops. There is no point investing in the back facing or side facing. अगर वो आधे रेट पे भी आती हैं, so I'll say do not invest until and unless it is a very good commercial and you are the market is very well going with that property. Then only go with that. You can take a bet, but always go with the front facing retail shops. Talking about any commercial in the Gurgaon market. So this is the concept of this retail shop area and again I'm saying this is the 100 acres township I'm talking about. This is by the name of Emerald Hills. These are low rises floors and spread across 100 acres. So approximately 1500 families are already living there. And इसके साथ ही आपको जो भी मैं आपको बता रहा था M3M Heights का प्रोजेक्ट कवर हो रहा है. So the more residents will be coming to this sector, to this area. So obviously the shops prices will be going up in the in the future and so this is how it is and now we'll be going directly to the office spaces and I'll show you how it is. So tune in for that. So this is the common space area of this unit and I wanted to highlight one of the good things. यहाँ पे आपको total 3 जगह lift lobby मिलती है to cater the needs of the people and total यहाँ पे 7 lifts हैं installed by ThyssenKrupp and very well maintained and spacious. Second, you are getting 2 level of basement parking with this. So आपको कोई भी कभी अगर if there is raining or something so आपको कोई problem ना हो and also आपको public parking space भी मिलता है. So that is also one good thing. Security is there 24/7. So now we'll be going towards the office spaces. So right now I am at one of the levels of the office space जहाँ पे आपको ये spaces मिलते हैं and I am here to show you कि यहाँ पे कितनी occupancy है and how people are utilizing the space. So you can see there's an office down there, there's an office over here. So these all have been occupied and people are already using and residing in the place. This is the lift lobby which we used to came at this floor and as I told there are other 2 lift lobbies at separate places. So this is the concept. Now I'll show you one of the bare shell space, so that you get a very fair idea कि आपको क्या space मिल रहा है and how you can maintain it and get a good rental income in the market of Gurgaon. So this is one of the space built up over here, and just next to it this one is vacant. So MR ने यहाँ पे आपको office space ऐसे दिए थे. So it was bare shell, and when I told you about the price, 55 to 60 lakhs इसको लगते हैं purchasing and to get the fully interiors done. And this is the space. यहाँ पे आप एक easily 3 cabins बना सकते हैं, एक मैनेजर्स कैबिन, एक सेकंड मैनेजर्स एंड एक कॉमन मीटिंग रूम, एंड यहाँ पे 3 से 4 वर्क स्टेशन आ सकते हैं, और यू कैन डू चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नीड्स. एंड दिस इज दी कंसेप्ट. यहाँ पे जो फेसिंग है वो 3 फेसिंग आती है यूजली, एंड उसी के अकॉर्डिंग रेट्स यहाँ पे होते हैं. सो देयर इज वन एटीएम फेसिंग जो हमारे प्लाजा को अंदर से फेस कर रहा है, एंड देयर इज वन मेन रोड, एंड वन इज फेसिंग द क्लब ऑफ एमराल्ड हिल्स. सो दिस इज द होल कंसेप्ट, एंड प्राइसिंग वेरी करती है इन फेसिंग को लेके. So this was the whole concept of the video. So this was my take on this commercial property, and now I am showing you this low-rise township जो मैंने आपको वीडियो में पहले बताया है. You can see all over there. So जितने भी low rises दिख रहे हैं, this is all MR. यहाँ पे ground plus 2 के 3 and 4 bedrooms आते हैं. So this was all inclusive in this project. And thank you so much for being till here. If you have liked this video or you have some questions, you can always ask in the comments, or you can contact us from the number given over here. Thank you so much for being till here. It means a lot. Good day. See you in the next one.